Oh man! Woo! Chill! Woo! Got a little girl back there. Oh man, that's a good one. Oh my God.
Golly. Kids screaming back here. Actually, a little more intense I remember, but I've never been in the front like that. I think when you're in the back.
That's pretty good. Oh man.
I think I enjoyed the first one better.
Yeah, but let me get food.
I kind of like this one. Outside of
the twisting and turning.